This is how you can order your welcoming kit. So your starter kit, when you join eXp, you get some business cards, etc. So to get access to your kit, you're going to find build a sign tile. Okay, build a sign Canada. You will click on it and you might get this message: you have successfully created an account. Click on continue shopping and you should see this message. Okay, welcome to eXp. Your credit of $73 for new agent welcome kit is applied. So as you make your kit, you can go here. Okay, agent starter kit, and this is the kit. All right, so you're getting a sticker, business card, a mug, folders, and a booklet. So just click on buy now. Okay, and follow instructions.